Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 8,073 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. The front left tire is at 830 seconds, as is the front right, and the rear tire is also at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that there is a hole cut in the inner CVT cover, which has tape covering it. But the hood latches are also broken, and the hood is being bolted in place. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the nose plastics, and gouges on the side fairing. This trike has an owner's manual and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with reverse and traction control and ABS. It's been upgraded with a shad saddlebag and rider and passenger floorboards. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.